Good evening, Amit sir. Today's topic is women are better bosses. I would like to give some information regarding this. Women are better bosses. I don't agree with this statement. Yes, whatever you heard is correct. Again, I will repeat. Women are not better bosses. Women are the best of the best bosses. It's my opinion. Not my opinion, it's a universal fact. More than 600 members, those are the directors across the world, have made a survey about it and confirmed that women are the best of the best bosses. Yes, women are the best of the best bosses. What is the strength of women? I am asking you, what is the strength of women? The strength of women is love and compassion. The strength of women is amicable nature and amiable nature. The strength of women is obedience. The strength of women is patience. The strength of women is dedication, commitment, courage, consistency. So, all these characters are assembled, are observed in only one person in universe, that is none other than a woman. Okay. Within a nutshell, we can say that woman is the other form of energy. Woman is another form of energy. You might have come across in your science classes, in your schooling, or from college, either in physics or chemistry. You know that energy. There is so many forms of energy. Potential energy, kinetic energy, magnetic energy, electrical energy, mechanical energy, chemical energy, nuclear energy, atomic energy, thermal energy, what not. The sum of all this energy is equal to woman energy. That's why woman is treated as Adi Parashakti. All of you know that. Woman is treated as Adi Parashakti. From the olden days, from olden periods, woman has given top priority. Woman has given a uniqueness. Now, I recall and remember a Sanskrit saying regarding women, that is, Yatra naryastu pujyante रमन्ते तत्र देवताः यत्र नार्यस्तु पूज्यन्ते रमन्ते तत्र देवताः. It means wherever women being worshipped, there gods live. Wherever woman is being worshipped, there gods lived. So it's a greatness. So we should always respect women in all aspects. Now, according to a professor named Chris Bast, a professor of strategic management from MC Master University of Canada, with his team again did survey on this topic and declared that women performs best business than men. What he stated that women performs best business than men. On what basis they formulate this statement, They are taking 5 categories. They are considered 5 items. On these 5 items, they come to a conclusion and given a statement that women are the best of the best boss. So what are the 5 items? Let me give one by one. Women are better communicators than men. Women are better community builders. Women are having lot of patience. Women are having business ethics. Women are having passion to do anything in a great manner compared to men. We must have to agree. We should have to agree all these things. This is a survey. On the basis of survey, it was formulated as a statement that women are the best of the bosses across the world. So, thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak few things or to share few things with you. Thank you.